didn't make it too far on I-10 before our tire sensor went off. So, we left the beach and we made it to our next spot here in Junction, Texas. We are at the North Llano River RV Park. And, well, while we're here, we got some cleaning to do. We got to clean up this camper from all the beach salt air and the sand and everybody just getting everything all dirty. So, the next couple days is going to be spent cleaning the camper and doing laundry. Oh, and let's not forget about the view outside.
Alright, so today we're going to head out, hit up a local state park and do some hiking. You guys ready to go?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, we made it here to the South Llano River State Park. Getting ready to go on a trail, and there's a armadillo right here inside of the road. Little guy. Pretty cool, huh?
Doesn't even care.
Nope, he don't even care we're here. There's a loop, the trail we're supposed to be doing, but the phone says 4.2, so it's either 2.4 or 4.2. We'll find out. You guys ready to go?
Start your thing. Do you have your water?
Ready?
Do you have your hike?
So, question for you guys out there: when you're hiking with your pup, and he does his business, you know, obviously you got to bag it up and take it out. What message do you guys have to get that stuff out? Or do you just carry the doo-doo bag in your hand the rest of the trail? Do you carry another bag with you that you put it in, or what are your thoughts, or what do you guys do? Let us know in the comments down below. Well, just came to the first challenge of this trail. It was going pretty good, little incline, and now we got to walk all the way up that incline. This will be fun. Nice little workout. Whew! Made it. 2,000 feet in elevation right now. Just getting 240 feet in that little uphill hike. Well, we're just about done the trail. It's a pretty nice trail.
Yeah.
That one hill was a nice little challenge, but it wasn't that bad. This whole area is nice. So, I mean, if you're ever traveling I-10 and passing through Junction, Texas, I highly recommend stopping in for a day or two. We got a couple campgrounds. The South Llano River campground we're staying at is pretty nice. One of those little middle of nowhere towns that's pretty cool to stop at and check out. Another travel day. We're leaving Junction, Texas, and continuing west on I-10. It was a nice little 4-day stop. Junction, it was a nice little area, so definitely recommend stopping in if you're traveling through.
I definitely like Junction. It's a small little country town. There's, stuff to do. It's not very overpopulated.
Alright. Stay here, I'll call you if I need you.
Alright, well, we didn't make it too far on I-10 before our tire sensor went off, so we're gonna go out and check it. It's down to 69 right now. Very low. It says 69.
Looks like it's going down.
We have a flat.
Oh, yeah, you can hear it.
Well, that's not good.
It's leaking from the valve stem.
How are we supposed to fix that? Ooh.
Put the spare on, that's how you fix it.
Well, no. Dad wants everybody to get out. Riley, you gotta help Dad. McKilly, can you put his collar on for me? Here we are worried about wind and we get a flat tire, so let's see how the day goes.
Board out.
That air's going down quick too.
Yeah, it's like in 30 seconds.
I could look from once.
That's why it's good to have a TPMS on your trailer to let us know before the tire blew.
Alright guys, back on the road.
Well, on the road again.
Yeah, we had our first tire emergency. luckily we had the TPMS that we just installed recently, and that let us know that the tire was going bad. It's actually the valve stem. It looks like the valve stem went bad. It was leaking from the valve stem. The tire itself looks fine, so hopefully we can hit up a tire shop here soon and just get a new valve stem put on. And that's always why you need to make sure you're familiar with how to change your tire. You don't be figuring out the first time on the side of the road. Either that, or make sure you have roadside assistance that you can call out. Imagine out here in the western Texas and I-10, it would take them a while to get out here. Also, you need to make sure you're familiar with how to jack up your camper. We have the independent suspension, so I've done it before in the driveway. But the first time on the side of the road, I had to find the right spot to get it because I have a bottle jack and didn't have the reach to pick up the suspension. We stopped here in Sonora at a tire shop. Get the valve stem replaced on our tire and get the spare back up underneath the camper. Not a bad little parking area on the side of I-10 here, somewhere west of Sonora for a lunch break. Got our other tire valve stem replaced and put back on. Definitely some great customer service there. Guy stopped what he's doing to help us out. All right, bud man. Stairmaster. Master of stairs.